I just want to take a few minutes just to kick off an initiative that we're launching this year for 2020. Again, thanks to all those that have been here today, particularly those in the sports sector, which is obviously my particular area, ex-PE teacher, so I'm very biased, and any help I can be, please do let me know. We're very proud supporters with our partners for WaterAid, and what we're looking to do this year, there's still a lot of urinals clearly that are wasting a lot of water. It's been mentioned before by Marcel and by Marcus. The high definition screen does run full video, so that obviously gives us a much bigger and wider reach to put messages in there to audiences. Unmissable, as we've already heard, dwell time for men particularly, but it does mean that the campaigns can be run via the internet, so any events or club messages can be posted on there. One of the things we've also talked about with facilities teams is health and safety messaging when the bar's closing, which bar's empty, so as to help the footfall around the stadium. So it's also another use. But the relevance here is that 90% by men. We also, as part of our network of the screens, have the screens embedded in mirror screens in the ladies as well, and by the hand dryers. So there's a digital network which is passing messaging around stadia on match days and non-match days too. So I think the question really is, are you in our initiative? Sponsorship could help from a company or stadia partners. That could actually help fund the system, and also from bigger clubs down to smaller clubs in a local or regional network, as Marcel spoke about earlier. Marcus has been very busy, not on his own of course, but 12,000 urinals in the UK, some brands you'll recognise there, and hopefully more on board coming on soon. On to where we are today, to Spurs. It was mentioned earlier again, 850 units here, which is saving Spurs approximately £100,000 in water alone, and that really was our big message for today. We do really hope that more clubs will join in the initiative. If we took football, for example, and took half the Premiership teams, that potentially is another 250 million litres of water saved per year. Again, with the EFL, half the teams, another 180 million litres. You can see this is going with Division 1 and 2 teams, another 120 million litres of water again, which collectively would bring us up to 550 million litres saved per annum. Other sports, again, rugby and cricket, already speaking to some clubs, and again, just doing some numbers here, if half the teams came on board for cricket and rugby, another 300 million combined, and grassroots sports as well can be supported because of the income generation from the screens, as well as the saving water from the units themselves, even with a small number of units. So if you add it all together, today's initiative that we're launching is to try and save 1 billion litres of water by 2021. It's a big project. Hopefully we would like to see as many people involved as possible. We've heard from Planet Mark and others about telling the story and the social media and the PR that can be generated, if you like, from sharing the good message. It's on everyone's lips at the moment, government, United Nations, and we really would encourage you to be involved. We also would ask people might run some WaterAid adverts as well, should you wish to support WaterAid. I mentioned about the PR and the socials, and working together we can improve lives. Just one thing there, each of the urinals that are installed, we donate a tap to WaterAid, so potentially with those numbers that could be 30,000 taps donated to WaterAid. Thank you very much for listening. That is the initiative we're looking for, 1 billion litres of water together by 2021, and thank you very much.